Morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you are watching my video. Before starting the video, I want to request to you all to like, subscribe and share my video. Today we are going to start unit first of chemistry, that is some basic concept of chemistry. Let's see the topic or the content which we are going to cover today. First, definition of chemistry. Second, development or history of chemistry. Third, importance of chemistry. Fourth, scope of chemistry. Definition of chemistry. Chemistry is the science of molecule and their transformation. Let us understand this definition by taking the example of water. Suppose we have taken 1 glass of water. As you know that water contain H2O molecule. If we keep that glass in a fridge that is full of water, the water that is in liquid form is get converted into the ice form which is in the solid form. This conversion of liquid into a solid, this is called as transformation. Transformation means change. Whenever a molecule get converted into another form or change it another form, this is the chemistry in which the science is applied, in which the molecule is converted from one form to another form. Let's take another example to understand this definition. You all know what is crude oil. Crude oil, which is a dark or sticky liquid that we cannot use as we use petrol or diesel. That's why we first refine that crude oil to use them. The process of refining is first to heat that oil until it boils. The boiling liquid is separated into different liquid or gas in distillation column. These liquid are used to make petrol or diesel. आप लोगों ने क्रूड ऑयल तो देखा, मतलब क्रूड ऑयल के बारे में सुना तो होगा ही. क्रूड ऑयल जो होता है वो डार्क और स्टिकी लिक्विड होता है जिसको हम यूज़ नहीं कर सकते अपनी गाड़ी या व्हीकल्स चलाने में. तो इस वजह से हमें पहले उस क्रूड ऑयल को रिफाइन करना होता है. जो क्रूड ऑयल का रिफाइनिंग का जो प्रोसेस होता है उसमें सबसे पहला प्रोसेस होता है कि उसको हम हीट करें और बॉईल करें, और तब तक उसको हम बॉईल करें जब तक क्रूड ऑयल के जितने भी लिक्विड्स हैं, गैस हैं, वो डिफरेंट लिक्विड एंड गैसेस में सेपरेट ना हो जाए. और वो सेपरेट किस में होते हैं? डिस्टिलेशन कॉलम में सेपरेट होते हैं. उसके बाद ये जो लिक्विड होते हैं, जो सेपरेट लिक्विड हैं, इनको हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं पेट्रोल बनाने में, डीजल्स बनाने में. Okay, now come to the next definition of chemistry, that is chemistry is the study of matter. To understand this definition, first we have to know what is matter. You have studied in your lower classes that matter are those substances which have mass and occupy space. From this definition, we know that all solid, liquid and gases are matter. So, the study of their properties, preparation, reaction and structure is called as chemistry. Now, come to the development of chemistry. When chemistry was developed, it was not known to us by the name of chemistry. It was known to us by the alchemy and electrochemistry. Chemistry is also called as Rasayanik Shastra or Ras Vidya. According to the Rig Veda, tanning of leather and dyeing of cloth were done. This shows that even chemistry is applied at the Rig Veda time, because tanning is not done without chemistry. Ardhashastra also mention some dyeing stuff by making the use of chemistry. Charak Samiti was the oldest Ayurvedic epic of India because they explain the preparation of sulfuric acid, nitric acid, oxide of copper. They are known as the oldest Ayurvedic epic of India because they uses flower, stem, fruit to make medicines. Glutinous Glutinous material was applied on the wall of Ajanta and Ellora so that they look fresh even after ages. This is the reason why the wall of the Ajanta and the Ellora are look fresh even today. Achar Kanda. Achar Kanda was the first proponent of atomic theory. Now we come to the importance of the chemistry. First, we will study the supply of food. Importance of chemistry. First important of chemistry we are going to study in supply of food. In supply of food we study 3 points, that is we are going to study 3 points, that is preservative, fertilizer, insecticide and pesticide. Chemistry help in preserving the food material for longer period. Some of the preservative which are commonly used are salt, sugar, vinegar and benzoic acid. Fertilizer. You know that fertilizer are also called as khad in Hindi, and if you know that fertilizer is called as Hindi, to a very common khad you all know is urea and sodium nitrate, which is used to yield the crop, which is used to increase the yield of crop. Insecticide and pesticides. You know that insecticides and pesticides are used to protect the crop from the insect, and insecticides and pesticides are made up of chemicals only. Next, comfort and pleasure. Chemistry also help in our comfort and pleasure. First is entertainment. We know that for entertainment we used to go movie hall, that is also called as cinema. We used to make video, we used to make videos by our camera, we used to click photos from our camera, and these camera use the film, and these films are made up of cellulites and are coated with suitable chemicals. That's why we can easily see the image which is clicked or which is played on the screen. Second, synthetic material. You know that synthetic fiber are those fiber which are synthesized by human, that is not naturally present, and when it is synthesized by humans, this means that use of certain chemicals are applied. When the chemicals are applied on this, they become easy to wash, they become durable, they become attractive, and such of the synthetic fiber are nylon and rayon. Next, that is building material. Chemistry help in construction of safer home, dam, bridge, and we can do this by baking of brick. Baking of brick is a chemical process. We use steel in the construction, and steel is one of the alloy which is formed by the combination of element. Cement, which is also a chemical only. Next, that is transportation and communication. All the mean of transportation use either petrol, diesel or coal, which are all chemical product only. In the starting of the video, I have told you how petrol, diesel and coal are made. There I have made clear to you that all these are chemical product only. They are not naturally produced. They are formed from the crude oil. Nuclear energy. Chemistry provide an alternative source of energy, that is nuclear energy. Now next use importance or use of chemistry is in the industry. Chemistry has played an important and useful role toward the development and the growth of number of industries, and the industries are such as paper, leather, glass, plastic, textile, etc. Second, application of chemistry in war. Chemistry is responsible for discovery of highly explosive substance. We know that there are many poisonous gas which are one type of chemicals only. Dynamites which are used for explosion, that is also made from different chemicals only. Next importance of chemistry is contribution to the better health and sanitization. Chemistry has provided number of life-saving drugs such as antibiotic drugs, antiseptic drugs, tranquilizers, and anesthesia. Tranquilizers are those medicines which help to reduce tension and bring peace to a person who is suffering from mental disease. Anesthesia are those drugs which is used to given to the patient to make them unconscious, so that their operation can be done easily without they can feel the pain of that operation. Antiseptic are used to stop the infection, and a very common and well known antiseptic to all is Dettol. Antibiotic help to cure from disease and infection, and a very well known antibiotic is azithromycin. And one of the very famous disease, that is pneumonia, that can be curable due to the discovery of sulfur drugs and penicillin. Now we come to the scope of chemistry. In the scope of chemistry, first we will see the organic chemistry. Organic chemistry. Study of carbon containing chemical is called as organic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry. Study of matter that does not contain organic chemical is called as organic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry. Physical chemistry, the area that deal with the mechanism, rate and energy transfer that occur when matter undergoes changes. This is called as physical chemistry. Biochemistry, study of matter and process of living organism is called as biochemistry. Analytical chemistry, a study that focus on the composition of matter is called as analytical chemistry. This is the picture which show the scope of chemistry. First, biochemistry, medicines, chemical engineering, environment, solid state physics, agriculture, forensic science, atmospheric science. For any question, comment, suggestion, use the comment section. Thank you. Please like and subscribe and share my channel.